Hi, this is Annie from Relevance Skincare. Today I am going to introduce you a very effective and helpful facial kit or facial brush, facial device, whatever you call, and this is from Relevance Skincare. All the products from made in USA, and this is a facial brush. Like when we use face wash or scrubber or facial mask, it's really helpful to massage all over your face to reduce the face wash and the darts from the inside of your skin. And this is very soft bristle. This portion is silicone bristle, and this is very soft and very comfortable to use on your face. And another one is Relumins facial device. This is also from silicone, but this is electric device. It works with battery or rechargeable system, and this is the premium packaging. Today I am going to show you the whole products about the facial therapy or the facial tools or accessories, whatever you said. And the next one is Relumins beauty care tool. This is for the face massage, like the portion of our jawline, like this area. This is for massage, and it's like a round shape tools. It moves all over the face, and this is very comfortable. This is for the jawline massager set, and you can get more information to the page of Relumins Skincare. And this premium packaging is from Relumins Intense Glow multifunctional LED light tool facial skin therapy. We all know about the facial skin therapy, which is just like this, a power LED button, and there has so many colors, and all the colors has different purposes. The red light helps you for the wrinkles, and the green light helps you for dark spot and discoloration. The blue light is for controlling the oil and the blemishes. The orange light is, or the yellow light is for dullness and the dark spot of your skin. This one is for all over your fair skin complexion, and this light is for permanent all the skin problem solution. This LED light is very useful as a facial kit, and all the products are originally made in USA, so you can purchase from Relumins Skincare directly. And the another device is Relumins Derma Roller System. This is also very helpful product for anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and very efficient for collagen, and it's really helpful to glowing our skin from inside. So this is enough for today. You can get more information about Relumins facial kit to their website. Thanks a lot.